rising. Good afternoon, YouTube. It's Chazio, and I'm back on this beautiful, blessed day with a brand new video for you all. In today's video, I'll be explaining what and how to invest in the big 2025. The ETFs that I go over in this video are not meant for get rich quick, but rather build wealth over time. So if you have any money in your bank account, your savings, anything like that, that is just sitting and it's not gaining money on the money you have, then this video is exactly for you. I don't want to waste any of y'all's time. Let's get right into the video. So first and foremost, the apps you will need will be Vanguard, Robinhood, and Webull. Now, all three you can invest in stocks and ETFs, but for this video, we're talking about ETFs. So in this case, you will be investing ETFs on all three accounts. Like I said, Vanguard, Robinhood, Webull. All three are very accessible brokerage accounts. All you can do is set up. It takes about 10 minutes to set up, and you can start investing. It does not take a whole lot of money to invest. A lot of people think you need thousands and thousands of dollars to invest. You can invest with under $100 and start growing your money instantly. These three apps you will need to start investing. I'm no financial advisor, but I would advise that you invest 10 to 20% of your income into ETFs and whatnot. But you always want to have cash on the side in case anything, a downturn in the market or a recession happens, just to be safe, and always have money that you can fall back on and not be dead broke. If anybody is actively in the market or knows what's going on in the world, you're probably aware of the Trump tariffs set to go into play April 2nd. And tariffs cause a lot of volatility and uncertainty in the market, which is causing the market to be on a dip over the last month and a half, I would say, starting late February. But before that, the market was pumping all-time highs. And I say this to say, be careful next week with investing, as we invest smart. We invest when stocks are low, as they are now. A lot of people have fear, and when the market is in fear, it's the best time to buy. You want to buy low, sell high, so when stocks run back up, all-time highs, you sitting back, chilling, smiling, watch your money go up. But I just want to put this in your head to know, not always will stocks go up. When you invest, sometimes your investment might take a little bit of a downturn, but always know in the long run, stocks are going to go up. So you have to have a long-term outlook. So always have a long-term outlook and know the times that you're investing in. Now, the ETFs that I personally invest in and I would recommend that y'all invest in will be VUG, VTI, and VOO, which are both basically the same stocks. They're made up of the same stocks, but both great ETFs to have. SCHD, VFIAX, and if you want to play it semi-risky, I would say invest in QQQM, which is for tech companies. And as y'all know, we're in the AI revolution, quote unquote, but we're in a tech age. Everything is online. So I would definitely say QQQM. Have a long-term outlook on that one if you're investing in that one, and I promise you those gains will be very nice. I'm in my Vanguard account right now. This is what I use to invest in my ETFs, not stocks. I use Robinhood to invest in stocks, but for ETFs, I use Vanguard. As you see on the bottom row, it has portfolio, transact, research, and profile. So when you want to buy an ETF, you want to click transact, and then you want to get a quote. So when you're getting a quote, you just want to type in the name of the ETF you want to buy. So we have VU, SCHD, VUG. Out of all of these, I like SCHD right now to buy. SCHD is a great ETF in my opinion. They're always adding new, very good stocks. So, and expect this to increase over time and definitely gain wealth on the wealth that you've gained. And when you're ordering or you're buying an ETF, you want to go click what account you want to invest from, buy, you enter the number of shares, will be one. Always do market order and preview order. I don't want to buy it right now, but I'm gonna cancel it. As you can see, you're buying one share SCHD, boom, 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 and you click submit order, and then boom, you invested in the ETF just like that. $27. All you needed was $27. That easy. VU, VTI, and VFIAX are all made up of the largest companies in the stock market, and they're all in the S&P 500. Now, the only difference between VU and VFIAX would be that VFIAX, it calculates the average after the market close, and VU, it's an intraday trading, like you can day trade it, but VFIAX, you can't. It's a straight ETF, and it calculates the whole market, but they both calculate the whole market. They just trade differently. And all three of them, VU, VFIAX, and VTI, they're all near a 200-day support, which if you're not in the stock market and you don't know trades and anything like that, that basically means it's time to buy. They're all near support. As I've been saying, the market has been coming down. So they're about ready to bounce. And like I said, April 2nd, be on the lookout. So a lot of volatility will be happening this week. So always play it safe. There's no rush to invest, but invest smartly and invest at the right time. So I would say wait a week after these tariffs come in to invest in everything I'm saying, and just have the best opportunity to gain the most when you invest. Now we got VOO, VTI, and VUG out the way. Now let's talk about SCHD. SCHD is one of the cheaper ETFs to invest in, and SCHD recently got rid of some of the companies in the ETF that were holding it back and not performing up to their levels, and added some new companies that are performing to their levels. So you already know what that means. If they're adding more good companies, the stock or the ETF will rise. And we're in trying times in the market, and a lot of volatility, as I said. So a lot of these ETFs and stocks are down per se. So when this one starts running back up, them gains, it's going to be great. So keep a big watch on SCHD. I would say SCHD should be your number one ETF to invest in if you're just starting out. It's cheaper, easy to get in, great gains. I hope anybody watching this video got a better understanding of how to invest and what to invest in. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am a young entrepreneur trying to build my wealth just like anybody watching this video. So definitely take the information in this video and be smart with it. Like I said, the tariffs are coming in April 2nd. I want y'all to remember this. This is my third time saying this. Tariffs April 2nd. You do not have to invest before April 2nd. Wait till after April 2nd to see what the market will do, and then invest, and invest smartly, invest wisely. Make sure to check out the links down below for my contact info, my socials, and also my Depop shop if anybody's interested in buying any clothes or anything like that. Liking and subscribe means a lot. Comment down below what y'all thought. Stay going, stay learning, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.